as a strategic teaching, identify the manners of how to use problem solving in teaching physical education and health, enumerate the advantages and disadvantages of using problem solving, and write an instructional plan in physical education and health using problem solving. Okay, so, ang problem solving is isa siya sa mahalagang skill sa physical education and health dahil nakakatulong ito sa mga mag-aaral para maging critical thinker at malikhain sa pagsasakay sa mga problema hindi lamang sa loob at sa labas ng silid-aralan. So, sabi ni Rice 2004, none of us are exempted from experiencing every problem. Wala lang sa mga libre na nakakaranas ng araw-araw na problema. There are two